Hey everyone, Nelson Miller here again with another Divi tutorial. This one is going to be on how to hide the YouTube related videos that will pop up at the end of a video. So we don't want that because what we're doing when those pop up is taking our viewers away from our site, and we definitely don't want that, especially if you have videos on your About page or in your courses or any page of your website like that. So what this is going to do is keep the videos that pop up only from your channel. So it's a really great solution. This is something a lot of people have been asking me about. I've been helping a lot of people in the Facebook groups with this problem, so I thought I'd better do a tutorial. Alright, so let's go ahead and jump right in. This is going to be a quick and easy one. Okay, so I have a layout ready, and I have a section in a row, and what I'm going to do is add a video module. So find that, and let's see, I'm actually going to add one of my own videos just because that's more fun. So copy the URL, so let's go in here and replace that old video from Elegant Themes. So there we go. Alright, so there we have our video module and it's ready to play. But what would happen at the end of this video, there'd be crazy random videos that pop up, so we don't want that. So hop on over to the tutorial, and our first step is to copy a CSS class. Now I should say right now that you can either do this tutorial based on a particular module, the video module, or do it global site-wide. If you want to have this happen on all of your video modules, go ahead and copy this second set of code. Alright? Just for the example, I'm going to use this first one, so we definitely need to have the class to put into the module. Alright? So back over here in the video module, we are going to go to the Advanced tab and add that class. Okay, go ahead and save that, and then go back to the tutorial once again, and that's linked in the show notes below. Grab this code. Now this is jQuery, so you want to go into your dashboard and find the Divi theme options, and go up here to a tab called Integration, and this first code section here, it's called Add Code to the Head of Your Blog. You can just ignore what's there now, but go ahead and paste the code in there. And if you look, we're targeting that class that we just copied. Alright? And basically it's saying we don't want any related posts. It's putting this and rel equals 0, so related post equals 0. It's putting that at the end of the iframe of this class. So that right there is all you have to do. It's that easy. That's it. I'm going to show you an example real quick of one of our other tutorials with this on it, and you'll see what happens at the end. It will only show the video suggestions from my own channel, which is better than nothing. Alright, there you have it. That's it for the tutorial. Okay, I hope you've enjoyed that. I hope you found that helpful. A lot of our subscribers really like that we publish a new one of these every month, maybe twice a month. So if you have suggestions, ideas for tutorials, I'm open for that. So go ahead and send them in. And if not, hey, we'll see you in the next tutorial.